Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel GFXStudio. In today video, I am going to show you step by step how to complete beginner can start on Fiverr and get their very first order fast, even if you have zero experience. So if you are serious about making money online, make sure to watch this video till the end because I will also share a few script tips that most beginner don't know. So we can start now. So all right, let's start the step number 1, choosing a skill. Now here the truth, you don't need to be an expert to start on Fiverr. A lot of beginner think they need years of experience, but that's completely wrong. You can start with a very simple service like logo design, data entry, background removal, social media post, AI content writing. Even if you don't know this skill yet, you can learn the basics in just few days from YouTube. My advice, don't overthink it. Pick one simple skill and stick to it because focus is the help you grow faster. So also step 2 is now step 2 number, creating a high quality gig. This is one of the most important part. Your gig is like your shop. If it doesn't look good, no one will risk. So what is gig? I am going to Fiverr and search here like content writing by SEO content writing, ঠিক আছে? or content writing jobs, AI content writer, ঠিক আছে? So I just write the number. Okay, so let's see. Okay, here is the image. This is a gig image. Okay, so here is the you need to focus on, ঠিক আছে? First your gig title, keep it simple and clear, like I will professionally proved and edit your thesis, dissertation or research. Then otherwise I will manually rewrite, proofread and humanize AI content, like this. Keep it simple and clear. For example, instead of writing something complicated, just say I will design a modern minimalist logo if you're a logo designer. Second, your thumbnail. This is what grab attention. First is a gig. What is gig? Then I'll go this profile. Then I'll see what the service. Its full service or full package is a gig. ঠিক আছে, ফার্স্ট টু লাস্ট ফুল সার্ভিস ইজ লাইক এ গিগ. অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য গিগ? থামনেল or thumbnail. Like I'll go this profile and okay, I'll go this profile and here is the image. I back and here is the image. ঠিক আছে, it's a thumbnail. gig or thumbnail বা gig thumbnail বা photo thumbnail, it's a gig or thumbnail. Then this is what grab attention, like this image, like this image, like this image. Okay, make sure it's clean, easy to read and eye catching, like this image. Then clean, very read, easy read to and eye catching. Use bold text and simple color, like this image. It's a bold text, is a providing and editing, like a bold letter or bold font. Then হচ্ছে third, description. Is third number is description. Like what is description? Then is the summary of your package, like this. যে about this gig, perfect your academic and professional writing with precision editing. You have instead time or effort into your research paper, thesis, dissertation, proposal, business plan, essay or report. Now let's take it to next level. I offer expert editing and etc. It's like a description. Explain clearly your service, your pattern, like explain clearly what you offer there, what you the buyer will get, why they should choose you, why not choose other, what choose you, why choose you. Keep it simple, don't make it too long, like this. Another step 3 is keyword. Step number that like Fiverr will work for Fiverr SEO. If you don't use the right keyword, your gig won't show up in search. So here is what the is keyword. What is okay? Like I will write content writer. It's a keyword. Like minimalist logo design or modern logo design or business logo design is a keyword. There are real keyword people are searching for. Like I will write logo designer, logo designer, sorry, logo designer, logo design or logo design. So I will write logo design and I search those people who used logo design keyword. Okay. So use keyword in your title, your tags, or your description. Like it's a logo design. Like it's a logo design, and it should be your title. Is a logo design. Okay. Then হচ্ছে your tags. I will click. Okay. Here is a logo design. Okay. I scroll and beside the text. Okay, here logo experience modern, here logos, it's logo. Okay, so use this keyword. Okay, there search people and find you. Okay, and step 4 is pricing strategy. Now step 4 pricing strategy is a lot of beginner make a big mistake here. They start with high price without any review. That doesn't work. Instead start small. Even $5 is perfectly okay. The beginning, your goal is not money at first. Your goal is getting your first order, getting your first review. Once you have review, you can slowly increase your price. So be smart and play the long game. Like here is the gig and it's start from $20. It's from $20. It's from $55. Okay, so we will should be start on $5 for your first for our first getting order. Then we should be first delivery tricks. Step number 5, a very powerful trick to get more order. Offer fast delivery. Set your delivery time to 24 hour if possible. Like I will go this gig and we see there is a 2 days delivery, and standard package is 2 days delivery and premium package is 2 days delivery. So when they see delivery in 20 hours, they much more likely to choose choose over you the others. And you can also add extra fast delivery as you paid option. This increase your chance of getting click and order. Then proof motivation. Now let's see, tell me something important. Getting your first order is the hardest part, but once you get it, everything become easier because Fiverr start trusting you. You get better ranking, more visibility, and more buyer. So don't give up if it take a few days or even weeks. Consistency is the key. And bonus tip, let's me give you a quick bonus tips. It's a stay active every day, response to message fast, and delivery high quality work. Even one happy client can bring you multiple future order. So always give your best. And so yeah guys, that's exactly how beginner can start Fiverr and get their order fast. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification, because I will be sharing more Fiverr tips, online income idea, and step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Okay, bye bye.